Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Golf Super Rush. To begin, select your character and course. The basic swing involves pressing the button once to start the power meter, then again to set power, and a third time for accuracy. Aiming is crucial. Use the left stick to adjust your target. You can choose from various shot types, like a normal shot or a powerful drive, to tackle different challenges on the green. Mario Golf Super Rush offers several exciting ways to play. In speed golf, you race against 3 other players to complete holes as fast as possible, running between shots. Battle golf is a frantic 9-hole arena where the first player to score 3 points wins. For a solo journey, adventure mode lets you level up your Mii character and unlock new gear through a compelling story. Every character in Mario Golf Super Rush brings unique strengths to the course. For instance, Mario has a balanced shot, while Bowser offers immense power. Each character also has a special shot and a special dash, which can turn the tide of a match. You can further customize your game by equipping different clubs and gear, like a power driver or a control putter, to boost your stats. To truly excel, master advanced techniques. Applying top or backspin can help you control where your ball lands and how it rolls. Always pay close attention to the wind direction and speed, indicated by the arrow, and the slope of the terrain. Practicing your chip shots around the green and perfecting your putting stroke are essential for consistently scoring birdies and eagles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.